Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to get dynamic island on Xiaomi Redmi Note 13. Firstly, go into Google Play Store, tap on search bar, and search up dynamic spot. Now install the app. You can open the app now. Now we will need to grant permissions, so tap on the next, and now tap on the first X. Now tap on dynamic spot, enable, and go back. Second X, again search for dynamic spot and just enable it. Okay. And now tap on the third X, no restrictions. Now tap on it again and tap on next. And now go into downloaded apps, dynamic spot, use dynamic spot, and again just have to wait 10 seconds, then tap on OK. Okay, that one done. And firstly go into the appearance. Why can't I just skip the ad? Okay, I go into default color and change it to white for a second. Now go into position, and as you can see it is a little bit off-centered. I'll put it a bit to the top, and I'll also just extend it horizontally. Yep, I change it to white so I can more easily align it. Now we'll go back into appearance, change the color to the color that you would like to have. I think the black, ordinary black, just looks the best. Also, you can tap on this icon to see the demo of how the notifications are going to appear. And that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.